is going on, guys? Ben Levy here, aka Fire Breathing SUK. And yeah, we're out here in sunny Miami, Florida.
Oh, well, very nice.
I don't know if you guys know, but my car is at the shop right now, so I can't really make any content with it. But we do have the Camaro ZL1 1LE right here. I'm gonna just try to do a little raw POV video with it. I have made a POV video with it before, but the tires were really bad and the alignment was just all over the place. It was when we just got the car, but right now the car just feels good, very confident, inspiring. So yeah, this is basically fully stock, 650 horsepower, 650 torque, weighs about 3,800 pounds. It's extremely stiff, the suspension. It feels like a full track car. It's not a muscle car. I think it's just a pure sports track car. And yeah, it's insane in straight lines and on the turn. Yeah, I honestly feel like it is one of the best muscle cars slash sports cars on the market right now for the price. Let's jump right into the car. This is a stick shift, by the way, so definitely a lot more fun than just a normal automatic, in my opinion. This thing is a beast, and honestly at first I wasn't a fan of these style taillights. I preferred the last gen, but it really grew on me and I just love the look right now. But yeah, guys, we're gonna let it warm up a little bit and we're gonna hop in and go. Once we're actually in the Camaro, you can notice that the visibility isn't the best, but the GoPro does make it a lot worse than what it is. Like for me, I see a little bit better, but yeah, we're gonna be driving it in the track mode. Basically what the track mode does is just stiffen up the steering feel and all that stuff. The exhaust stays open, pretty much it. Even when you're on comfort mode, the suspension's still very stiff. It doesn't have the magnetic suspension like the normal ZL1 does, so the comfort doesn't really change the suspension. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'll be doing some of the video with the windows down and then some with the windows up. The interior I feel like is the nicest out of the Mustang and the Dodges, and then obviously there's the Camaro, and I feel like this one is by far the nicest. Has the nice lighting, all Alcantara, everything feels good. They just did it really well. We did add this though, this little carbon piece. It's just kind of like a little stick on that you can add. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so first up, one of the main questions I get with this car are the paddle shifters. Why is there paddle shifters on a stick shift car? And the reasoning is they basically wanted to keep the same steering wheel for the auto and the stick shift version. So basically this is just a rev match button. Now if I click it, my rev match is automatically on, which means when I downshift, I don't need to blip the throttle myself because the car will basically do it for me. Here, I'll show you guys. I didn't touch the gas or anything. My leg is up and it just blips the throttle for you. Better than I can do myself, but I'll be honest, when I do myself, it sounds a little bit cooler and pops more because I can rev it higher than like what it does. But I'll do both. I'll switch between while I'm driving. I enjoy rev matching myself though, it's just fun. But if you do want to stop quicker, definitely much better to do the rev matching because you don't need to do heel and toe or anything like that. Is insane how torquey it is. Now I am used to a Honda S2000 which literally has no torque at all, so when I hop into this thing, it's crazy how much torque it has. And it's fun because you can just step on it whenever and you'll feel that power right away. Car feels insanely like planted on the road. Like this car, like I don't know, it's hard to explain if you've never. It literally feels like a race car. Like I've never driven an actual race car, but if I had to think about what it would be like, I would think it'd be something like this. And it honestly sounds really good even for stock. It's just not that like crazy loud that you would expect from like a muscle car, but they sound insane even stock, and they could sound even crazier. Oh damn, we got a, is that a Hellcat? No, 392. hope it's not too windy. It's pretty windy, so let me put up the windows. And another thing with this car is stock, you don't really hear the supercharger whine too much, which is kind of sucky, but at the same time, it's all right, like it's whatever. But you do hear that it's boosted, like it has like that boosted sound, because the Camaro SS has a very different sound than the ZL1s, just because the ZL1 has that boosted like sound to them, so it just, I don't know, it has a cooler sound to it. See, like that, I have the, if I need to stop quicker, I have the rev match, so I could just do that. I didn't want to go too crazy before because it wasn't fully warmed up, but it's pretty much warmed up now. Like I'm barely doing anything. I'm already going like 60 something. So you can get in trouble with this car really fast because of how fast it is. Like you really don't even have to be going that, like trying to go fast, and you'll be going crazy fast. Oh, I forgot that the rev match is on. So planted on the road. Like I'm not trying to go crazy fast, and this thing, it just makes you want to go crazy. I mean, it's just too good. It's built perfectly. I don't know what else to say. And the sound, like it just sounds good. Yeah, maybe we can open her up a little bit. We'll have to find some roads. Too good. I don't know. And it sounds very good. It sounds so clean. This is also with the windows up, obviously, but I'll close them down when we go back. Like short shifting, it even feels fast. You don't even need to actually stretch out. You could beat most cars just going like that. Like honestly. And it's so easy. Like the transmission is so good. One of the best manual transmissions I've ever felt in my life. It's so easy. You know exactly where you are. Like everything is just so good. Very well built car. I think I might just start posting daily like POV things where I kind of just like, it'll kind of be like a little vlog. I'll just tell you guys like what's going on, what I'm doing and stuff, and then I'll just be driving. And I'll try to take different cars here and there. Oh, we got a little Mustang GT right there. And I still want to get a proper like pull. We haven't really got a proper one yet. Just been a little like fun. Last time I did a POV video, the car was not feeling as good as it is now. It was like all over the place with the tires and alignment and everything. It was no good, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far though. If you are, please like and subscribe for more content, guys. It really does help me out. Also comment and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I'll be trying to make more content. So if you guys want some more car content and all that fun stuff, make sure to subscribe. Hopefully we can get a couple more pulls in. Just gotta find a decent road and we'll get some. It's very stiff, like it feels really good. is so fun. All the kids are like, what is that? I can feel it. Well, let's go with the windows down though here. Oh, it sounds good. This thing is crazy. Brakes are amazing, and the pops and everything. I don't know if you guys can hear all of it, but it sounds absolutely insane. It is so windy today. I hope you guys still heard like the car and everything over there with the pools. Oh, we got a little Charger right here. Please be a Hellcat, please be a Hellcat. Nope, that is not a Hellcat. A Rally? I didn't even know that was a thing. We'll get a little first gear pull, a little do for Dale action. Hopefully these people in front of us move a little bit or something, because we're gonna get to them pretty fast. All right, we'll do first gear like 4,000 RPM, which is like 30 roll, and go. Like that, and it's like nothing ever happened. Guys, you gotta like this video after that. Like, you gotta. If you made it to this part, you gotta like the video, and you better subscribe, because we're gonna have a lot more content like this. You guys can see what this car is capable of. Oh my god, it's absolutely insane. Got a couple revs for you guys. I had a blast driving. I don't know if you guys had a blast watching, but basically concludes today's video. As I said before, this car is an absolute beast, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, so that basically concludes today's video. I'm gonna be trying to do more of these POV videos, hopefully like a couple times a week. I'll try to like turn it into like a vlog style, which is like if I do a photo shoot, I'll go do the photo shoot, I'll bring you guys along and all that fun stuff. And obviously we'll do some content with this car as well, which is a lot of fun too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah guys, peace out, have a good one.